welcome to my new home. Hi everyone, welcome to my bedroom. Take a stroll with me. Well, this is my 3D bedroom. It was great and given by the housing program. Look at it, lovely, cool and nice. Okay, I'll take you to another place. This is what I love the most. This is my bathroom, restroom. You can have a good look, great design, uptown style, all around. And look again, here is another room. This room belongs to my grandson. Deshaun, you can come in and take a close look. It's great, it's wonderful. It was done by the housing program. It was given to me by the government. I like it, I love it. I'm so grateful for it, people. Wow, take a look at my kitchen right here. This is my kitchen. Oh, I'm not going to turn the water on. You see, the cupboard is a lovely, great job done by great people like Martin. You see, it's lovely. Oh my God, welcome to my new home. New home, close the door. You can come outside also, you know, and look all around. This is how my box setting. It's graceful and wonderful. I can wash hair now, and this is where my washing machine going. Hi, Jamaica. I'm so surprised and happy for my new house. Oh, love God and love the people. I can wash hair, my machine going there. Oh, grateful. Thank be to God. My house is so beautiful. And thank you, people, for having me, videoing me and all around. Do you like my house, people? Yay.